YoWIE is a Young Women's in Engineering program to show different pathways for young women to get into engineering. I'm Mia, I'm from Canberra. So currently we are deconstructing and reassembling motors for our mechanical engineering program. I'm in year 11 and YoWIE did have a big part in how I chose my subjects, allowing me to have a look into the engineering pathways I could take and what subjects helped in getting into those courses was a big part of it. After YoWIE, I think my dream job would either be a mechanical engineer or a race mechanic for the supercars.